Today I will be showing you how to connect your FlySky receiver to your drone for our drone competition. The drone I have in front of me here is slightly different than the one you guys have, but it uses the same receiver and the same controller, and the process is the same. Now, the first thing you want to do is remove all of the pins that you have on your receiver. You only need the first channel 1 pin plugged in. Now, this one has the DJI NASA, but you guys have the Ardu Pilot, and the first input is the one you want plugged in to the channel 1. So once you have this, turn on your controller and go and hold down the OK button. Go into the system setup and go all the way down to factory reset. And make sure you click yes. Once you have that, turn everything off. After you have reset your controller, you're ready to bind. Take the bind key and plug it into the receiver. The pin you should be plugging it into is the B/VCC pin at the top. Remember, the only other pin that should be plugged in is the channel 1 receiver. This is how it will be getting power. Once you've completed this, plug in your aircraft to the battery. There should be a red LED blinking on the receiver. This is indicating it has power. If it is not blinking, flip the channel 1 pin around and try again. After you ensured that your receiver is getting power, make sure to unplug your aircraft. Give it a few seconds and plug it back in. Check once more that it is getting power. When you are ready to bind, hold down the bind key button on your controller and power it on. You should get a bind OK message. Now go to your receiver and unplug the bind key. You may also have to try and turn your controller off, but you should see an RX battery symbol here, which indicates that your aircraft is now linked.